Hey guys, how's it going? Today I thought I'd do a quick video, but before the video starts I thought I'd just share some verses from Psalms. So in Psalms 119 verses 9 to 11 it says, "How does a young person live in a life of purity? By living according to your word. I seek you with all my heart. Lead me not astray from your commandments. I have your word hidden in my heart so that I may not sin against you." So today's video is going to be about recreating this Innocence movie that I really liked, and I'm going to go ahead and buy the necessary ingredients. Make this movie from the ingredients I bought, and I didn't manage to get all of them, but yeah, I'm just gonna make do with what I've got. So as you can see, I didn't manage to get all the ingredients required because they were missing some. And yeah, now I'm just squeezing out this lemon to get the juice. So I've basically got every ingredient except the guava and yeah, I got most of the ingredients. Yeah, just sort of looking at the blender, I think I may have to do this twice. And as you can see, or if you saw from the ingredients earlier, I've been using a bit more pear and banana than it required, so it's going to be slightly different in terms of how much banana and how much pear, but yeah, I'm sure it will still turn out okay. So yeah, let's see what it looks like at the end. The problem is because I didn't add milk, it didn't mix very well, so I'm going to try that and see what happens. Let's try again. If I very correctly. So this is what the finished product looks like. Delicious. And I thought I'd show you one of my favourite simple sort of foods to make. Yes. We basically I thought I'd show you guys how to make a really nice, easy and somewhat healthy snack. So you can get some sort of cereal like this and mix it with some yogurt. I'm using raspberry, but in this case this variant of cereal. And basically you sort of mix it like so. And it's the best combination, trust me. I've tried it before and it's amazing. But yeah. So now for the amazing drink. Let's mix up. So I won't lie to you guys. It tastes, even though I've missed out some of the ingredients, it tastes quite accurate. All very similar to the original thing. It is, however, a lot more expensive, especially getting that coconut water. It's the same as the actual smoothie itself. So is it worth it going through all this trouble? Not really. Although a lot of the time it is. This is one of the cases where it isn't. It is a lot more sludgy. I guess it's because I didn't use enough milk or something, but still very good.